Hiya, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a garden chandelier using a hanging basket and some solar powered lights. As you can see, this one's actually not in my garden at the moment because I don't have a garden. I'm going to go into my sister's garden. But it's really easy to make. All you need is a hanging basket. So this is going to be turned upside down, so you want to put the chains around the other side so they're underneath the basket. Then we're just going to hang things from here. And you can put as many lights or as few lights as you like. I may have put too many on this at the end of it. But this was only £1.50 from Wilkinson's. And we've just got some of these little solar powered lights. I've got these from Poundland. You can get from garden centres and other places as well. These ones just have a little switch so you can switch them on. And they're multicoloured ones. You can also get different coloured ones like plain colours and where the glasses or the plastics are different colours. Also got these more icicle ones. They've just got a little switch on the side. Again, these change colour. I do like the multicoloured lights. And then I've just got some of these wind thingies. They're not wind charms, but they kind of spin in the wind. So I've got some of those as well. I'm just going to attach these to the basket. Depending on how you want to lay it out, just do it how you want. So these just come out pretty easily, the little hooks. You just pop them out of the little holes from the sides. Just place them somewhere on the basket. And then you simply just pop them back into the holes what they come out of. They don't bend out of shape or anything, they can easily bend to pop out and then just clip back in. So all the lights are the same for that. So you just want to spread those out evenly. And you can do this upside down as well, so you're actually doing it as it would stand up if you've got somewhere to hang it already. But I didn't have anywhere to hang it, so that's why I'm doing it face up. And then I'm just going to hang some of the wind thingies on as well. They come on a little elastic piece of string, so I'm just going to tie that onto one of the corners where the wires meet. And I like this basket because of the wires, the way it crosses over, you can actually evenly space things out and you can actually see where they're going to hang. Whereas some they've got less wires and you can't hang them as evenly. So like I say, just add as many or as few bits and pieces as you like. You might want to put some like charm things on there or something, or some coloured stones hanging from there just to give it a bit more glittery. Then once you've done, you just pick it up, let everything drop, and there you have it. Then all that's left to do is to turn all the lights on and put it in your garden. That's it, simple as. Like I say, this might be a bit too many lights, but that's it. Thanks for watching anyway. See you in my next video. Bye!